I know how to get 11labs for free. You want to know how to get 11labs for free. Let's cut the chit chat and let me show you how to do it. Also, I'll be showing you how to get rid of this error message right here for unusual activity, which you will run into in the future. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is head over to 11labs. Now the first step we want to do is sign up. Now when you are signing up, the most important thing to do is head over to Temp Mail. All links will be in the description, so make sure you'll have a look down there if you want to access all of these websites. Okay, so once you are in Temp Mail, it'll show this screen here and it'll give you a temporary email address. All we want to do is copy that and paste it when we sign up. And then we just want to set a password. And then we just want to press sign up. Once we have pressed signed up, it'll say that they have sent an email to our temp mail address. So we can just go back over to temp mail, and here it is. We just have to click on the email here and press verify email. Once this is done, we'll be able to log in. Okay, now we are in 11labs, and the first thing we'll notice is that we'll have a 10,000 character limit. So once this runs out, you will have to create a new account with Temp Mail.
Hi, I am Daniel Chukwemeka, an AI-generated voice by 11labs. If you are finding this amazing video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to this handsome, sexy man, AI Ethan. Anyway, let's get back to the video.
Another problem a lot of people are facing is this error here. If you are on mobile doing this, just make sure to download any free VPN app and you should be fine. But if you are on desktop or PC, an easy fix is to just head over to your add-ons for whichever browser you are using. I'm using Microsoft Edge, so I'll go onto Edge add-ons, and all you have to do is just type in VPN and download any of these free ones. All you simply have to do is press get and add extension. Then once your VPN is installed, all you simply have to do is just connect. Once we are connected, you can head back over to 11labs, and that error message should never pop up ever again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if it works in the comments below. If it doesn't, say it doesn't, and I will create a follow-up video trying to solve your problems. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 11labs for free. Something I don't see. My uncle touches my knee. What am I saying? Well, my Discord link is in the description. So why don't you come and join? Or I'll come and find you and make you join.